let's try Grimace's birthday shake.
So apparently Canada doesn't believe in celebrating Grimace's birthday.
Yep, we're gonna get started for you.
Can I please get the Grimace shake?
Sorry, we don't have the Grimace shake in Canada.
Oh, y'all don't celebrate his birthday here?
I don't think we do.
And I'm not sure what this is supposed to taste like. I try to call my friends to see if they can tell me what it tastes like, but they're not answering their phones for some reason. So I just have to resort to looking on McDonald's website and get the ingredients. So from what I can see, it definitely has vanilla ice cream, but everything else is pretty vague. So I'm gonna use some frozen blueberries and blackberries just so I can get a bit of color and taste. And this is a milkshake, so I'm gonna add a bit of milk along with a drop of Grimace's blood. I also see McDonald's topping it off with some whipped cream, so let's see what this tastes like. Yeah, I guess it's a regular blueberry vanilla ice cream milkshake. What? What? You think a wannabe Barney is gonna take me out? Get that garbage out of here!